Welcome back to my channel, Andrew's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to do fried chicken my way with my little twist, and I'm going to serve it with roti. So stay tuned, and I'm going to ask him to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you. Stay tuned.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on. Oh, when I rise and boast, yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus, yeah. Gratitude is a must, yeah. See, blessings fall by my right hand. But I was feeling friends to take off with me load. One time did sit down in a class and report. Then only said the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit. Soon get the higher ring like hello brother. You say I just shot you. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot. You're bad in a life, man. Me have to thank God for this.
Making roti dough. 2 cups of flour. A pinch of salt, some butter or margarine, some oil, and some hot water. This is hot water. I'm using this spoon because the water is hot and I don't want to burn my hand. It's a bit soft, so I'm adding some more flour to it. So I'm gonna do 2. This is some sauce that I'm going to use on my chicken. This is ketchup and some cranberry dressing that I add to it. And I add some sugar for a little sweetness. So here I present my roti with my fried chicken, Jamaican style.